Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the application of percentage. Now we'll discuss the worksheet 5. Find the unknown quantity in each of the following. In the textbook it is a tabular column. So here we are writing like this so that it is easy for a calculation, isn't it? So in the earlier worksheet also we did the same. So they have asked P is equal to how much? R is given 12%, T is given 2.5 years. So convert, it is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 years. SI is given 1200 and amount they have asked. So principal and amount has to be found. So first principal you find out. What is the formula? SI into 100 upon R into T. So SI is given 1200 into 100. R is 12 and time is 5 by 2. 5 in the denominator, 2 in the numerator. 12 ones are 12 hundreds are. Now 5 ones are 5 20s are. So it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 1 2 3 zeros. That means principal is rupees 4000. Now find out amount is equal to principal plus SI. Principal is rupees, just now we got 4000 plus SI is 1200. So the answer is rupees 20, 0 plus 2 2, 4 plus 1 5, 5200. Is it clear? This was a direct question. Now the second sum. Principal they have asked, R is 3.5%. Now T is equal to 2. SI they have asked and amount they have given 535. Okay. Now it is 3.5 को हम 3.5 भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन उसको इधर ऐसे ही रखो, कैलकुलेशन के वक्त थोड़ा इजी होगा. नाउ अमाउंट इज गिवन एंड प्रिंसिपल इज नॉट गिवन, एसआई इज नॉट गिवन. कौन सा वाला मेथड यूज करने का? अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस एसआई. That formula you have to use. So principal as it is, SI is P into R into T upon 100. Okay. Now principal we don't know. Put the value 535 and principal you don't know, P plus P into R is 3.5 into time is 2 upon 100. ठीक है. अभी P plus P into 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, means it is 7 upon 100. So this one will be P plus 7 into P. It is 7P upon 100. So you got 535 is equal to so much. So it is a LCM लेने का है ना. So 100 लेंगे तो इधर आएगा 100P plus 7P. That means it is a 107P upon 100. 535 कंटिन्यूअस वही है, इसके लिए बार बार 535 नहीं लिख रही हूँ मैं. ओके. नाउ P is equal to 535 into denominator will go to the numerator और 107 डिनोमिनेटर में. अभी देखो नंबर 107 एंडिंग विद द 5, isn't it? So just check 107 into 5. 5 7 जा 35, 0 है तो 5 1 जा 5. Yes. So 107 1 जा and 5 जा. So P is equal to rupees 5 into 100, 500. Understood? So you got principal. Now they have asked SI. What is the formula for SI? SI is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is how much? 535 minus 500. So you got SI is equal to rupees 35. It's a lengthy sum, isn't it? याद आया? ये एग्जाम्पल में भी किए थे. सो अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस SI और SI का फॉर्मूला डालो, प्रिंसिपल को वैसे ही रखो और दूसरे वैल्यूज डालकर सॉल्व करो. और P एंड 7P अपॉन 100 मिला, LCM ले लो, 100P plus 7P, so it is 107P. So P is equal to 535 into 100 upon 107. 107 1 za, 107 5 za. So you got principal 500. Now again SI has to be found. So amount minus principal. ठीक है? That was question number 1, second subdivision. Now coming to the third subdivision. The principal, they have asked how much, and R is given 4%, T is given 3 years, SI is given 120 and amount is asked. So principal and amount is asked. So SI is given, so no problem. So P is equal to formula SI into 100 upon R into T. SI is 120 into 100 upon R is 4, T is 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 0, 4 1s are 4 10s are. So it will be how much? 1000. 1 1 2 3 zeros. So you got the principal 1000. Now they have asked amount. What is the formula for amount? Principal plus SI. So it is a principal is 1000 and SI is 120. So it is rupees 1120. Is it okay? Now coming to the fourth. Principal is given. They have asked R and A. SI is given, so no problem. So R is equal to formula how much? R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. SI how much is given? SI is 189. R 100. Principal is 450. Now the time is 3.5. So convert. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7/2 years. So into 7 denominator में 2 numerator में. Now 0 0 cut. 5 2s are 5 9s are 9 1s are 9 2s are and 1s are 9 2s are 18 and 1s are 9, 7 1s are 7 3s are. So you got 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So R is equal to 12%. Understood? Now they have asked A. Amount is equal to principal plus SI. Principal, how much it is? Rupees 450 and SI is 189. So you will get rupees 0 plus 9, 9, 5 plus 8, 10, 13, 1, 5 and 6. Amount is 639. Is it okay? So that was question number first, fourth subdivision. Now coming to the fifth one. What all are given? Principal is given, R is given, T is been asked, SI is given and amount is asked. So first T. For T, what is the formula? SI into 100 upon P into R. Okay, SI 178.50 into 100 upon P is 850 into R is 6. Now the decimal place, 2 decimal multiplied by 100, 2 zeros. So the decimal point moves 2 steps to the right. So ये बनेगा 17850, isn't it? So decimal place निकलेगा और ये कैंसल है ना, क्योंकि multiplication multiplied by 100, the decimal places moves to the right 2 places और denominator में 850 into 6. Now this is a 0 0 cut. 5 का टेबल में 5 1s are, 3 remains, 5 7s are. Now here it is a 5 3s are 15, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25, 3 remains, 7s are 35. Okay. Now it is a 3 5 7. So check for a 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 10 15. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 2 remains, 9s are. 3 9s are 27. अभी 17 7s are 119 है क्या? चेक करो. Because ending with the 9. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. 8 9 10 11. Yes. 17 1s are 17. 7s are 119. So you got 7 by 2. Now convert 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 remains, 3.5 years. इधर कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा संभल के करो. ठीक है. This is what time. Now they have asked amount, that is principal plus SI. Principal how much? 850 plus SI is 178.50. So it is a पैसे 50 पैसे लिखो 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 5, it is 12. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10. It is 1028.50. This is amount. Is it clear? Now coming to the last subdivision. It is R is asked, SI is asked. Amount is given, principal is given. When amount and principal is given, it is easy to find out SI. What is the formula? SI is equal to amount minus principal. So it is rupees, amount is 6210 minus principal is 5400. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 4 means 12 minus 4 is 8. This is 5 minus 5 is 0. So you got SI to be 810. You got SI. Now you can find out R. What is the formula? SI into 100 upon P into T. SI 810 into 100, P 5400 into T is 3. 2020 cut. 9 6 are 54, 9 9s are 81 and 0. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 3 remains, 6 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. So you got R is equal to 5%. Full of calculations, isn't it? Hope you understood this first sum, the table, isn't it? So in each 2 there you have to find out. Hope you have understood all the sums. Bye. Thank you.